Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a new branch rule set on your GitHub repository. So you want to go ahead and click on the repository on the left hand side, then go to its settings. On the left hand side, you want to go down to where it says branches. And from here, you'll have the option to add a new branch rule set. Click on that. Now from here, give it a name. So I'm going to call this one Drew as an example. You can choose if you want to enforce status or not. That's really up to you. So let's say I want to make it active. From here, if you want to add bypass, you can choose that as well, or you can leave it empty. It's really up to you what you want to do. Then under the target branches, again, you can choose to add a branch, add a target branch. So let's say you want to add it for all branches, you can do that, or you can include the default branch, or you can exclude, whichever one. So you can add whatever. So let's say I'm going to say all branches. Now you have the rules you can choose. So the restrict deletion, you can say restrict update, for example, and you can choose, maybe you want to say require linear history, you can choose that, and whatever else you want to add, right? Require code scanning result, or you can say automatic request copilot code review. It's up to you. Then go ahead and click on create. And that's all there is to it. Now you can see that I've created a new rule set. Now if I go back to rule set, you will see that there's a new rule set there. And that's it guys, very easy and very simple.